Aloha! Alrighty, let's make sure we're in tune. Another important thing to do while tuning, I know that I enforce doing the quarter, going down, and then tuning up to it. When you're doing this, also try using your middle finger. It influences you to get different structures of muscles built. Try and use the third finger and the pinky if you want. Pinky's a little useless there. But when you're tuning, try and use your other fingers. It'll strengthen them. All right, today, majors and minors. Here is a C major. Here is a C minor. Here's a G major. Here's a G minor. F major, F minor. E major, E minor. All these share something in common. When we say 1, 2, 3, our median, the third, gets flattened for that. Now, up to this point, we've only talked about C, D, E, F, and G because we're talking about triads. I want you to know when you get rid of the 2 and 4, our sus notes, that our triad still lives the 1, 3, and 5. That's only in major. In a minor, we flatten that median. You're up with me till this point. So an E major is a C, G as the fifth, and an E, the median. When I drop the median and drop that median down to an E flat, it quite literally makes the whole major happy tone into a minor sad tone. So what we do, the other step to this equation is the 6th and the 7th interval are flattened. So whilst talking about that, in a C major, we would have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. In a C minor, we would start at the 6th note and do a equal to a whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step. It's awkward because we're used to saying whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, half step, which gives us do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. But when you start that process not on the whole step, half step, and you start on the whole step, half step, and then continue suit, it gives you do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, which is a C, D, E flat, G, F, A flat, B flat, and C. Notice how the A flat, B flat are the flat 6th and the flat 7th. No matter what key we're in, G major, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, because G has 1 sharp, that F sharp, G. So when we play G minor, that F sharp's no longer an F sharp, it's an F natural. The note right before that was an E is now not an E, it's an E flat. And then the third of the chord, which was the B, is no longer a B, but a B flat, giving us a very solemn G, A, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, which is a completely different feeling. So this week, try and do this. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. That's all on the C string going all the way up to the 12th fret. C, 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 octave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minor seconds make a whole octave scale. So when we have that, C to D is a whole step, D to E is a whole step, E to F is a half step, F to G is a whole step, G to A is a whole step, A to B is a whole step, and then B to C is a half step. So when we do the minor, we have a whole step, but then a half step, a whole step, half step, whole step, and then it completes our circle. It definitely will give us our feeling on a G minor or a C minor alike. If you want to be so curious, you can try this on the E string as well. Try playing an E major. And then you would have E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. Well, when we flatten the 3rd, the 6th, and the 7th, we get E, F sharp, G, A, B, C flat, D flat, E. And that gives us our very, very much minor feeling. It was wonderful seeing you this week. Cannot wait to see you next week. Aloha.